welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to use our new modern email system. Let's get started. So for a long time inside the Floral POS, you could always email delivery confirmations, email direct to customer, email receipts, but our email system was very text-oriented, very basic, plain text. So we had a couple florists reach out and say they did like a modern email system that allowed them to add their logo, add maybe an ad or maybe a review us link at the bottom. So we went ahead and added that for you guys. So let me show you how it works. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to set it up. So let's go into our control panel up top, the gear wheels. And then inside of your control panel, go to System Config and then go to Email Settings. First thing you'll notice in Email Settings is it's a little bit bigger. We made it easier to read for everybody. And then down below, you're going to see a couple new tabs here. You're going to see an Email Assets tab. And inside the Options tab, we added some more stuff. Before it just had Enable the Email Pop-up. Now you have Enable Modern Email System. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to turn on the Enable Modern Email System. You're going to select your templates. So we have Modern Floral, Promo First, Boutique Card, and Compact Business. These are just the first templates that we're starting out with. In the future, we will add more based on your guys' feedback. So let's use Modern Floral. And then you can select an accent color. Tons of colors to select from. I'm selecting purple, but easy enough. All you have to do is select the color and it automatically saves for you. So I'm going to do soft purple. If you want to see what the email template looks like, all you do is hit Preview Template. It'll open up and show you a little bit what it would look like. Right now, it's basic. No logo, no header, no footer, no review things, because we haven't added that stuff yet. So this is just what it would look like when it came, if you decided not to add anything to it. Let's go ahead and X out of here. If you go to the Email Assets tab, this is where you're going to add all your stuff for the modern email system. You got your logo, promo main, review image, header banner, footer image, ad, review URL, website URL. I'll explain what each one of these is. Logo, pretty self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and select logo. Click on Upload Image. Let's use this one here. It's been uploaded successfully. If you want your logo to be clickable, you can actually put your link URL here. So the logo will show up on the email, and then they can click on it if you'd like to. So mine will say thefloralpos.com. Let's go ahead and update the asset. There you go. If you want to see what it looks like, just the photo itself, you can click on View. Right here with the magnifying glass, it'll open up the image so you can see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and preview the template real quick with our logo on it. There's a logo up top, and you can notice that it's clickable. Pretty cool, right? So next thing, let's say that we had a header banner. Not everybody's going to have this. So if we click on header banner, again, we could have it linkable, clickable. So I'm going to have it also go to thefloralpos.com. Go ahead and upload image. Once you find the image, go ahead and click on the image, hit open. It's going to upload it for you. And then again, we can look at that header banner just by clicking view, and it'll show you what it looks like. I created this with ChatGPT, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and preview the template once again. And now you can see that it'll look like this. Here's your logo, clickable. Here's your header banner, clickable as well. And here's the rest of it. So click on review image, and we can, again, what I would do is go to google.com, find your, wherever it is you can review your flower shop. You have to copy that link URL and paste it into here. Again, I'm just going to put in our floralpos.com. And you can come back and change this whenever you want to. So let's go ahead and upload image. And there's our review us, again, made with ChatGPT. If you click on that, we can view this as well, review us. And then let's go ahead and preview our template again. And that's also clickable. See how it says loved your flowers above it? You can change the wording there as well. If you go back into your review image, and here where it says add text, you can say whatever you want. How do you like your flowers? say update asset, go ahead and preview template once again, and now it'll put the wording above that. Review us clickable card. Pretty neat, right? Let's go ahead and change our template so you guys can see what that looks like. So I've got modern floral. Let's go to I like the boutique card. That's kind of cool. So let's go back over to our assets, click on preview template, and it kind of puts things in little cards, which is kind of neat. And it makes the background a little bit more pretty. And we can change the color too. Let's go back to let's do like a soft orange. Kind of a cool thing, right? So back into our email assets here, we have a footer image. So it's basically the same thing as the header image, but it'll just put it down below here. You know, so you can see other half of this down below, and that can be clickable as well. The ad is like just exactly what it says. You can have it linked here, so you can add whatever you want. You can maybe put a QR code so you can scan it, but I'm going to link it to my website again. Let's go ahead and find I'll probably just use any image for the ad. I hadn't created one. Yeah, let's just use this image here for the ad. So the ad, if we go ahead and preview template, it'll put it right in the middle. Minus, this looks like this is basically the footer, but I'm using it as the ad. So right now it doesn't have any wording above because I didn't add any. But if they click on that, it'll go to your ad, maybe go to your website, wherever you want it to go. URL wise, it'll go there. Let's go ahead and add inside the ad. Let's add some text. So let's preview it. There you go. So, I mean, you can get the idea. Review URL, review our website URL. These are just URLs that you can just add below your signature or down below. If you didn't decide that you wanted to do a review image, you just wanted a URL, you can do that. And if you didn't want to link the website URL to your logo, you can just put it down below as well. And you have the promo too. Promo main is basically just the same thing as an ad. It gives you like promotions and it adds it up top. So you guys kind of get the idea of how this is working with our modern email template system. So every email that goes out now, if you have modern turned on, will have whatever assets you put in here, and you can email yourself and test it out and see what you like about it. If you notice down below, there's still your signature that's there, and still your any of your stuff that you have along the way, like in your receipt email. This information will still feed over to the modern email as well, which is pretty neat. So delivery confirmations, there's a little bit more going on with delivery confirmations. If you look down below on the right hand side, it says modern email only. So you can actually add these things: include arrangement photo, click to pick, include delivery photo, your proof of delivery, or include delivery signature. So what that's going to do is that allows you, when a delivery confirmation gets sent out, it'll automatically include whatever you have turned on, which is kind of neat. So now, almost like the UPS, when you do a delivery and you take a picture and you have a signature, as soon as that is done and they hit completed, that delivery confirmation will automatically grab this photo and this signature and send it over to your customer, which is pretty neat. So let me show you what that looks like. I have an example on my phone. All right, so here's a delivery confirmation. I'm checking on my phone. So you can see here, it's got your logo up top. Your order has been delivered. Your order number 677 has been delivered to Timothy Bell on 6/14/2026 at 7:54 p.m. There's your header. Hello, Timothy Bell. Thank you for your order. Please see attachment for delivery details. So here's your proof of delivery photo, which I'm a card collector, but it would be an arrangement. And then down below, here's your signature. And then it gives you your order number. Here's the ad. Here's your review us. And then we still attach the PDF version of the delivery confirmation to it as well. This is our new modern email system. It's going to keep growing with feedback. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, 888-865-9768. Email us, support@floralpos.com, or leave some feedback with a smiley face. And we'll see you guys in the next video.